how to remove lock screen on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the lock screen on your Android phone so that you no longer need to unlock it in order to use it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we will have to unlock our Android phone. So you need to know the PIN, password, or whatever you use to unlock your Android phone. So go ahead and do that. Then from the home screen here, simply swipe up and we just need to open up the settings on our Android phone. Once in the settings, scroll down and we're just looking for security and privacy. Select that. Once you get into security and privacy, scroll down and select device unlock. And then you'll see screen lock, select that. You need to go ahead and do the process of unlocking your Android phone. And then it will bring you to choose new screen lock. From here, all we need to do is select none at the top. Confirm you do want to delete your current lock type. And now if I go to lock my Android phone, as you can see, I can quickly unlock it. There is no longer a lock screen on my Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.